So you're planning to start an e-commerce business, or maybe you got a store with Sellvia already, a reliable dropshipping supplier with fast shipping around the US, top quality and trending products, marketing academy lessons, and much more. In this video, we're going to see if you need to register a business in the US, why you might need it, and how to do it. So, the first question is, do you need it? Why? It may sound like something wild, but hear us out. There are a ton of benefits, and it's not hard at all. Some of the benefits are the access to e-commerce payment processing systems such as Stripe, more trust in the eyes of American customers, low corporate tax, and it's just responsible to have a company in the country of your customers. We're going to give you a step-by-step guide so you can decide for yourself. Talking about customers, be sure to check out our video about how to determine your target audience to really surpass your competition. How to start an e-commerce business in the USA, the basics. There's nothing challenging about registering a business in the USA. Your residency, not citizenship, matters if you're going to start a small business in the US. You don't have to travel to the US to register a business. You can do it remotely with the help of companies that provide business registration services. They'll make the process seamless for you. It doesn't take a lot of time. If you use services of special firms that specialize in registering businesses, you just need to prepare the necessary documents and relax. It usually takes around 10 to 20 days, depending on the state you register your business in. After registration, you need to apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number. You can receive it in 4 business days according to the IRS guidelines. As a result, you get an LLC in around 3 weeks, and it won't take you a lot of money to do it. In most cases, registering a small business in the US will take about $500, but it depends on the state you're going to register your business in. Now let's take a look at step-by-step instructions on registering a business in the United States. Step 1. Apply for business registration in the United States. Wherever you are, it's better to be a responsible entrepreneur and apply for business registration in the US. If you're not a US resident, you need to find a registered agent that has a physical address in the US. Another important thing is the place of registration. Generally, US entrepreneurs are recommended to register a business in the state they live and work in. If you're not a US resident and you work in e-commerce, you don't have to link your business to a state. Each state has its own taxation system, so register your business in the state with favorable rates and terms of business registration. Some of the good options are Delaware, Wyoming, and Nevada. Step 2. Get an employee identification number we talked about before. Every entrepreneur, no matter what business they have, needs to get an EIN. This number is used on all your business-related documents. To get an EIN, you or your attorney will need to fill IRS Form SS4. Step 3. Open a bank account. After you register your business and get an EIN, you need to open a bank account. What business doesn't have a bank account? Sellvia has been in business for 10 years, and we've got something to share with you. First, when it comes to registering a business online without effort, one of the firms that we consider reliable is SVS. You can visit their website or email them. Links are in the description. Also, you can consider Biz Filings and My USA Corporation. Links are also in the description. These firms are also reliable, and their prices and terms are similar. So it's up to you to choose the one to partner with. When it's time to open a bank account remotely, you can use Mercury. Beyond the option of opening a bank account remotely, this bank welcomes startups and online businesses. The process is super simple. Click Open Account and follow the requirements. Link to Mercury is in the description. Then you can get an LLC registered in 3 weeks with only about $500. After that, you're completely ready to start operating. Having an LLC will prevent you from being personally liable for the things related to business and ensures pass-through tax status. Now you can stop puzzling over how to start e-commerce business in the USA. It's much simpler than it seems, especially when you get a turnkey store from Sellvia Pro. The store will be made from scratch according to your wishes and preferences. Receive it and get right to work. No fuss or extra effort. Links in the description. We can even find out what your customers want and create unique products tailored to their needs. You'll sell these items in your own store and marketplaces, under your own brand. Leave the design, production, and shipment to us. Book a free consultation with our representative and learn even more about e-commerce and Sellvia. Ask questions. Take a better look at what's in front of you so you can have a better clarity. Find the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your feedback in the comments section and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.